हेलो नमस्ते दोस्तों। आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं यूनानी सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन, साइंस ऑफ हेल्थ एंड हीलिंग। दिस इज अ मेडिसिन सिस्टम which was actually originated in the Greece, Arabian countries, but now it is practiced in many part of world and also practiced in India. So let us see. यूनानी मेडिसिन जो है एविसेना ने इसको डिफाइन किया है। इट इज़ साइंस इन विच वी लर्न वेरियस स्टेट्स ऑफ बॉडी in health and the means by which health is likely to be lost. When lost, it is likely to be restored. इसका जो डेवलपमेंट हुआ है, it was originated in the Greece almost 2500 years back, और Asclepius is supposed to be originator of Unani medicine. It has developed during Arabian civilization. The Greek philosopher and physician who has contributed a lot is Hippocrates. Okay, after Hippocrates, Arabs like Rhazes, Avicenna, Al-Arabi, Ibn Nafis also contributed, and it is further developed by the Dioscorides, Aristotle, Galen, etc. And then it was transferred to the many parts of the world, as to name Egypt, then Persia, Syria, India, China, and most of the countries in the Middle East. So it is also known with the another names: Arabian medicine, Islamic medicine. Unani system has been developed during Arabian civilization, and as we have seen, Hippocrates and other people have contributed this. Okay, so Greek medicine is translated to the Arabic later on in the 5th century. It is practiced mainly in Egypt, Syria, Iraq, Persia, India, China, Middle East. In India, it is brought by the Arabians along with them, and it is developed and rooted in India in the period of King Alauddin Khilji, King Muhammad. It survived in the British period, and Sharifi family of Delhi, Aziz family of Lucknow, and Nizams of Hyderabad, they took efforts to root and keep sustained in India. There are few theories related to basic theories and principles to Unani system. One of them is 4 humors, which was developed by Hippocrates. There are 4 humors. The first one is Dam. Dam means blood. Second one is Balgam. Balgam means phlegm. Next is Safra, that is yellow bile. Next is Sauda, that is called black bile. Okay. The another principles that called Mizaz. Okay. It is also known as temperament. So there are 4 type of temperament. First one is the hot, Mizaz-e Har. Next is cold, Mizaz-e Barid. Third is dry, Mizaz-e Yabis. And moist, that is wet, Mizaz-e Rath. There is certain relation between the Mizaz and humors. So as we have seen, there are 4 humors: Dam, Balgam, Safra, Soda, blood, phlegm, yellow and black bile. There are 4 Mizaz: hot, cold, dry and moist, and these are related with each other. If you are having yellow bile and blood, in that case your physiology may be hot. If you are having blood and the phlegm, in that case it is wet. Phlegm and yellow bile, in that case it is cold. Black bile and yellow bile, in that case that becomes dry. Let us see in more detail. You can tick into using this table. This whole table you can use to assess what kind of Mizaz you have, what kind of physiology you have. So there are certain parameters which are given: complex ion, build up, touch, hair, movement, diet, weather, sleep, pulse, emotions. Based on this, you can identify which type of Mizaz you have. So first is Dam, second white color Balgam, then the Safra, yellowish color, and black is Sauda. It is also called as melancholic. So first, sanguine or dum. In that case, reddish and whitish brown complex one that you found, muscular and broad build-up, hot and soft touch, hair are black and lustrous, thick, rapid growth is observed, movement is active, diet is they like mostly cold and dry diet. Spring season is most suitable and for the sanguine or dum people. Sleep, it is almost 6 to 8 hours. Pulse rate is 70 to 80 per minute. Emotions are normal. Phlegmic or bulgum, in that case complex one is whitish, build up is fatty and broad, touch is cold and soft, hairs are black thin and slow growth is there, movement is dull. Diet, they like mostly hot and dry, and they most like summer season. They have excess sleep. Okay, the pulse rate is 60 to 70 per minute, and the emotions are calm and quiet. Then the yellow or saffra, that is complex one is yellowish. They are having muscular and thin body, hot and dry touch, hairs are brownish, thin, and there is rapid growth. They almost hyperactive, but diet they like is cold and moist. Winter season they want more. They have inadequate sleep. There is rapid rate of in the pulse. It is 80 to 100 pulse per minute, and they are usually angry. Melancholic people, they are having purple or blackish complexion, build up skeleton, touch is cold and dry, hairs are brown and thin, they are less active. The diet they like is hot and moist. Autumn season is more suitable for these people, and they usually suffer from insomnia. They have slow pulse rate, 60 to 70 pulse per minute, and they are nervous most of the time. So tick into the table and identify your personality. Next, there are few main constituent, almost 7 are mentioned. Arkan, that include earth, water, air and fire. Most of them are also included in the Ayurveda Siddha system. Mizaj, that is temperament. Akhlahat, that is humor. Azha, organs. Arwah means spirit, vital breath. Kava means energy. Afal means action. Health is correct proportion of humors, and cause of disease is believed to be deficiency or imbalance between humors or plethora. And sometimes infections, which is called tedia, may cause the disease. Diagnosis, in that case, in case of Unani, physicians are known as hakims. They diagnose the people. If the mizaj is good or balanced, in that case it is called mizaze mutammil. If it is imbalanced, it is called mizaze gair mutammil. Hereditary conditions and different complaints, signs, symptoms of body, external observation, examination of the pulse, urine, stool is also carried out in this case during the diagnosis process. Other aspects which affect are age, sex, habit, family history, hobbies, work, environment, and it is also considered as a part of diagnosis. For the prevention, they have referred some points which you can take care of, and it is very common that you should have go into the fresh air, you should eat food and drink properly, सात्विक होना चाहिए, बॉडीली मूवमेंट होना चाहिए, एक्सरसाइज होना चाहिए. साइकिक मूवमेंट के लिए आपको अच्छी बुक्स पढ़नी चाहिए. स्लीप एंड वेकफुलनेस, ऑलमोस्ट 8 hours ऑफ स्लीप दैट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. इफ़ यू रिमेन अवेक इन द नाइट, दैट इज़ नॉट सजेस्टेड. इवैक्यूएशन एंड रिटेंशन, जो टॉक्सिन्स बॉडी में तैयार होते हैं, दैट इज़ इवैक्यूएटेड फ्रॉम द बॉडी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टूल, यूरिन, स्वेट एक्सेट्रा, और वो रिटेन अगर हो जाते हैं तो टॉक्सिन्स क्रिएट होते हैं, तो दैट बिकम्स द रूट कॉज फॉर द डिसीज. Treatment, there are unique treatment and specialized methods which are used in the Unani medicine. The drug is prescribed according to the degree of variation from the normal health. Treatment that is basically divided into the three parts. Okay, first part is attempting removal of cause of the ailment, that is sabab. Second, normalization of and correction of temperament, tadale mizaj. Third, that is involved in the strengthening of natural defense mechanism and prevents relapse. Next, the treatment, there are different kind of treatment. First one is ilaj bil tadbir, means regimental therapy that involves the treatments like panchkarma therapy. Next, ilaj bil giza, that is dietotherapy. Ilaj bil hawa is climatic therapy. It is also called rehabilitation therapy. Ilaj bil dawa, that is pharmacotherapy that or therapeutics. Next, in case if it is required, the jarahat or surgery is used, that is called ilaj bil yad. If people are suffering from the psychological problems, in that case psychiatric treatment is given, that is called ilaj nafsane. And sometimes spiritual treatment is also prescribed, that is ilaj ruhani. So ilaj bil tadbir, that involves coughing, diaphoresis, diuresis, Turkish bath, massage, purging, emesis, exercise, leeching, etc. that you can see in this image. The regimental therapy is similar to the panchkarma therapy in the Ayurveda, which gives snehan, svedan, vaman, virechan, basti. Ilaj bil giza is dietotherapy. Administration of specific diet by regulating its quantity and quality, that is controlled. Humors which are product of digestion food are restored to the first and get rid of accumulated toxins. Next is climatic therapy, that is rehabilitation therapy. The patients are taken to the fresh environment and healthy air. The healthy air of a particular amplitude and frequency, that will be helpful for your health. इलाज बिल दवा, जब कभी आपको ज़रूरत पड़ती है तब दवा यूज़ होती है. यूजुअली जो हर्बल ड्रग्स होते हैं वो दिए जाते हैं. फिजिकल, मेंटल, इमोशनल एक्सरसाइजेस are commonly given. Massage is also prescribed for toning of nervous and circulatory system. Jarahat is surgery, and also psychiatric as well as spiritual therapy is recommended certain times. The examples are shown here. Cupping, that is hijama. Most of the Hollywood, Bollywood actors, they go for this kind of treatment, cupping or hijama, in which the cups are used and a green colored knobs are there for applying vacuum. So they correct your blood circulation and help to soothe the inflammation and helpful in the massage. Next is the leeching. In that case, the leeches are applied to the specific part of the body, and that removes the bad blood or toxins from the blood. It is also used by many models and actors. The Unani medicine, that consists of vegetable, animal and mineral origin. Vegetables are usually in the organized or unorganized form. Organized, that include the plant parts. Unorganized includes latex and gums, etc. Unani medicine from animal, that contains flesh, hairs, excreta, bones, etc. Minerals include gold, silver, lead, zinc, copper, iron, antimony, arsenic, mica, talc, etc. So these are used. The certain formulations which are given here, that is sharbat. It is very common medicine that everybody uses it, especially in the summer season. That is aqueous concentrated sugar solution as a oral drink. Next is mazuz, that is powder drug and honey in 1:3 ratio, used for different medicinal properties. Jawarish is concentrated mazuz used in the stomach infection. Ark that is aromatic water is used as digestive aid. Lauk, that is drug powder and a syrupy preparation used in the respiratory tract infection. Kohal is surma used as eye remedy. Marham, that nothing but the cream. Drug in the fatty base or vehicle is given for topical application. Decoction and infusion, they are known as Josanda and Khaisanda, are used for internal use. Shaif and Battis are the suppositories and pessaries are given for genital diseases. So this is the different kind of formulations which are there in the Unani. I have given here the references for your reference. You can go through these references. I have also quoted in the description box. These are the certain research institutes of national level, which is National Institute of Unani Medicine, that is in Bangalore, and another one is Central Research Institute of Unani Medicine, that is in Janakpuri, Delhi. I have given additional study material for you people. You can refer to Fundamentals, Diagnostics, Prevention and Therapeutics. The links are given in the description box. You can refer to that one also. These are surgical instruments which were used for the surgery by Unani medicine. So that is all. Thank you. Happy learning.
Bye bye.